Want to automatically catch code issues and improve quality? Here's how to set up Codacy in just 1 minute, no complex setups. First, sign up and connect your repo. Go to Codacy.com and click Start Free. Sign in with GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket and give Codacy access. Then choose your organization and select the repository you want to analyze. Let Codacy run its first scan. Once you connect the repo, Codacy automatically begins analyzing your code, checking for formatting errors, security issues, duplication, complexity, and test coverage. Then view your dashboard. Open the repository dashboard. You'll immediately see issue counts, complexity, duplication, and coverage stats. Click Issues to explore details and get suggestions on how to fix them. Lastly, tweak your settings. Customize what Codacy checks by ignoring files, enabling or disabling rules, or changing quality thresholds, right from the repository settings page. You've now connected Codacy, seen your code quality dashboard, and tweaked settings. This has been How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. See you in the next one.